The Enchanted Waters in a quaint coastal village called Marlin's Cove, nestled between rugged cliffs and a sparkling azure sea, there was a legendary underwater realm known as the Enchanted Waters. The villagers spoke of this hidden world with awe, a place where the fish lived in harmony and possessed an intelligence and beauty that surpassed imagination. Lila, a young marine biologist with an unquenchable thirst for discovery, had grown up listening to these tales. Her grandfather, a retired fisherman, had often shared stories of the Enchanted Waters, describing how the fish seemed to communicate with each other and display behaviors far beyond those of ordinary marine creatures. Determined to uncover the truth, Lila dedicated her studies to the mysteries of the sea. One summer day, as the sun blazed high in the sky, Lila set out on her small boat, the Sea Breeze. Equipped with her research gear, she navigated the coastal waters, guided by her grandfather's old maps and her own intuition. The sea was calm, the gentle waves lapping against the boat's hull as she ventured further from the shore. As she reached the area her grandfather had described, Lila donned her diving gear and slipped into the water. The world beneath the surface was a dazzling display of colors and movement. Schools of fish darted through the coral reefs, their scales reflecting the sunlight in a shimmering dance. Lila marveled at the beauty around her, feeling a sense of awe and anticipation. Swimming deeper, she noticed a peculiar formation of rocks, covered in vibrant sea anemones and swaying kelp. It seemed to form a natural gateway, inviting her into the heart of the Enchanted Waters. Lila hesitated for a moment, then swam through the archway, her heart pounding with excitement. On the other side, the water seemed to change. It was clearer, warmer, and filled with an ethereal light. The fish here were unlike any she had seen before, larger, more vibrant, and exuding an almost magical presence. As Lila observed them, she noticed that they moved with a grace and coordination that was mesmerizing. A particularly striking fish, a regal blue tang with iridescent scales, approached her. To Lila's astonishment, it seemed to study her with intelligent eyes, circling her slowly. She reached out a hand, and the fish swam closer, its movements deliberate and curious. Suddenly, Lila felt a gentle push at her back. Turning around, she found herself surrounded by a group of dolphins, their eyes twinkling with mischief. They guided her deeper into the Enchanted Waters, where she encountered more extraordinary sea creatures, majestic manta rays, graceful sea turtles, and even a playful octopus that seemed to enjoy performing tricks. The dolphins led Lila to a large underwater cavern, its entrance adorned with luminous corals that glowed like lanterns. Inside, the water was bathed in a soft, golden light, and the cavern was filled with the harmonious sounds of the sea. It was a place of serenity and wonder, and Lila felt a deep sense of peace. As she explored the cavern, Lila discovered an ancient mural carved into the rock walls. It depicted the history of the Enchanted Waters, showing the symbiotic relationship between the marine creatures and the guardians of the sea, humans who had protected and respected the underwater realm for generations. Lila realized that her grandfather's stories were true. The Enchanted Waters were a sanctuary, a place where the natural world thrived under the care and guardianship of those who understood its importance. She felt a profound connection to this legacy and vowed to protect and preserve the marine environment. Returning to the surface, Lila knew her life had changed forever. She spent the following months documenting her experiences, creating detailed illustrations and descriptions of the Enchanted Waters and its inhabitants. Her research drew attention from the scientific community and environmental organizations, and she was invited to share her findings at conferences and in journals. But Lila's true mission went beyond academic recognition. She dedicated herself to conservation efforts, working tirelessly to protect the marine environment and educate others about the wonders of the underwater world. She established a marine sanctuary near Marlin's Cove, where the Enchanted Waters could be preserved and studied without disturbance. Lila's work brought new life to the village of Marlin's Cove. Tourists and researchers flocked to the area, drawn by the stories and the chance to glimpse the magical underwater realm. The village thrived, and the bond between the people and the sea grew stronger. Years later, as Lila stood on the shore, watching the sun set over the ocean, she felt a deep sense of fulfillment. The Enchanted Waters had revealed their secrets to her, and in return, she had dedicated her life to their protection. The world beneath the waves was a testament to the beauty and mystery of nature, a reminder of the importance of preserving and respecting the delicate balance of the environment. And so, the legacy of the Enchanted Waters lived on, a symbol of harmony between humans and the natural world. Through Lila's efforts, the wonders of the underwater realm were celebrated and safeguarded for future generations to discover and cherish. The tales of the Enchanted Waters continued to inspire awe and reverence, a testament to the enduring magic of the ocean's depths.